Post your favorite photo with one music about your zodiac sign. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you want to do this story trend right here, then keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to highlight to viral now and click until you find the desired sticker. So here, as you can see, I only have viral stickers and you can check these too. So click. So there we have it, and from here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go and check the first pinned comment where I put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this button. So yeah, from here you can go to your uploads and choose your favorite photo. So I will go ahead and choose this one just for the video. This is just an example for you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect for me. And you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want. After that, click on share to, then click share to your story and hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.